Marcus, again, your number one digital marketing specialist, creative writer, and also a content marketer. And I'm here to show you guys the number two topic on our course outline, which is how to upload your content ebook on the Amazon KDP website. So in our previous training tutorial class, we saw how we can set up an Amazon account. We show all the step-by-step guide in setting up an Amazon account. So if you have not watched that particular video, you just jump to this particular video. I will advise you to go back and see and understand the setting up of the Amazon account, because without setting up your Amazon account, you can't own an Amazon account on the Amazon KDP website to start publishing your ebooks on it. So you must set up an Amazon account before you get to the stage of uploading your ebook on the Amazon website. So now let's go to the business of the day for the main purpose of this topic, which is uploading or publishing your ebook on the Amazon website. So now you can see, for we to publish our ebook, we need to have an account, and under the account we can see the bookshelf, the report, the community, and the marketing. So now the bookshelf is where you can upload your ebooks on the Amazon website, and on the bookshelf you see if you have published any book or previous books. You see them here, publishing our previous books, all of them, you see it here. Now I'm actually working on what's it called, publishing a book on Amazon account. So that's why you can see this. I created a book for the purpose of this class. I just created a content to upload on the Amazon account, so I can show you guys on how you can do it yourself. That's why I created this for the purpose of this class. So now let's go. So in order to upload your content, this is where your ebook content is. You click on this. But since I've started something already, so let me continue the setup. So once you click on this, it will take you to the page where I'm going right now. So you click on this, it will take you to the page where I'm going. So they're all the same thing. It will take you to the page where I'm going right now. So let me press and continue as it is loading to the next page. Yeah, so guys, I'm back. It's just load to the next page. So now we can see the next page. This is it. This is our book. There's some information I'm filling already before I start this tutorial class. So let me just go back from the beginning and you can see what I've been trying to do. So now once I click on that, it took me to the next page, and this page is consists of three phases, which is the Kindle ebook details, which talks about the information about your book you need to fill. Then there's the content of your book, where you upload your ebook onto the Amazon website. So then this is the pricing, the ebook pricing. This is the amount you want to sell the book. This is where this particular phase, this is where you do that. So in the aspect of this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you everything here, how you can fill in your details, upload your ebook, and also price your ebook on the Amazon website. So let's go for the first phase, which is, you can see language. It talks about the language your book is actually written in. That's here, my book is written in English, so I leave it as English. So if you actually write your book in a particular language, you can indicate. If the language is not there, well, that's left for you. Maybe that's just it. So you can see options, but you leave it as English. Most of if you know you want to sell that ebook, you leave it as Englich. Most you are writing it in English. So now this is my book title. I've already filled the information before I started this tutorial class, which is 3 days social media marketing course. 3 days social media marketing course, and my subtitle is the word Master the Art of Social Media Advertising. Master the Art of Social Media Advertising. So if you are book, so you put your book name. This is my own book title, so put your book title there, and this subtitle is optional. If you do not have a subtitle, please just leave it blank like that and move to the next stage. So the next stage is series, add series details. If you're just publishing for the first time, you don't have a series, it's optional, you don't need to bother about that. So let's just it. If your book is part of a series, add series details. Like let's say if you want to upload a book and you find out that you want to have episodes upon episode, then you can click the add series details to maybe episode 1, episode 2, episode 3 is for, but I don't think I want to have that. And our advice, once you click add series details, it takes you to so many informations to actually click in and fill and all that. So I advise you want to sell a book, sell it based on maybe you just put edition. Understand? Instead of add series details, if you want to add episode, use it as edition, leave it as edition 1, edition 2 of that book and all that. So that is just the whole thing. So do not click add series details if you are not sure about this. Do not click on the add series details. So now just go to the next one. Edition. I don't think I want to have edition, so it's optional. I leave it blank. So if you feel you want to have edition 1, edition 2, edition 3, yeah, you can put it, but I don't want to. So let's move to the next one. So what's the author name? My name is Oluwaseun Marcus. Oluwaseun Marcus, that's my name. You can see it's already on my what's it called, the Amazon website already. Because while I was filling my account setup, I provided all this information, so it's there. So do you have contributors? Do you have any other author that have actually contributed to the content of this book? I don't have, so although I'm the only one that actually created this myself. So now let's go to description. So you have to describe your book so that readers can see and understand the content that's in your book. So make it easy for them and make it easy for you to sell your book. So once they see the description, it makes them feel that okay, this is what they are actually looking at for to read. So you have your description written somewhere, so it can just easy for you to copy and paste. So description, it's you that will write it yourself. Create a description of your book. You're the one that wrote the book yourself, so you understand how to describe your book for your readers to understand. So this is my description. Social media is no longer an optional marketing channel, it's a necessary one, but that doesn't mean results are a given. When it comes to social media, you either have a lot of success interacting with your customers or you see the little result, and that depends on the level of effort you put in. Understand? Now the book, the ebook, blah blah blah, we introduce us. This is just a description of what I just put together for my book. So you can create your description based on your book, your content, and all that. So this is just mine. I put my description, so readers can go there and read my description to make it easy for them to come on my book, to be able to purchase my book. So that is that. I've done that. I put my description. So now I move for publishing rights. Now publishing rights, I own the copyright and I own the necessary publishing rights. Yes, I own the copyright and I own the publishing rights of this book. Now please do not click this is a public domain work. No, don't click it. Make sure you click I own the public copyright and blah blah blah. We go to the next stage. Now this is keywords. Now this is very important. This is more like the marketing aspect of your book. You want to market your book because with your keyword, more people when searching for your book, more people are going to see your book on the Amazon website. So what is my keyword? Now my content, because your keyword should be related to your content. My content was based on social media. So how do I find the keyword? Now I'm going to show you guys some tools in order to search, and a tool, Amazon tool for you to what? It's like a third-party tool for Amazon to search keywords that you can use to advertise your book on the Amazon website. So what is it? So this is the keyword tool. The keyword tool, which is keywordtool.io. slash Amazon. That is it, keyword2.io/Amazon. So what is my content all about? It's all about social media marketing. So let me find those keywords. Social what? Social media marketing course. So with this, I can find my keyword. So I just come and say search. So it starts searching the keywords I can use to advertise my book, for people to see my book. When people are searching for it on the Amazon website, people can just pop in and just bring up my book out for them to view and also see, to buy. So that's just the case. So let me pause it as it's loading, so that to not take much of our time in this particular course. So this is it. Search for my keyword social media marketing, which is the content of my book. Now it has brought out all the keywords that I need to know used for advertising my book. You can see social media marketing for 2021. I can just come here, copy it. Just copy it, understand, and I'll come to the website. So make sure it's what you're doing is based on the keyword you actually want to use for your ebook. Start to advertise your ebook. So I've seen this social media marketing 2021 is actually a keyword used on Amazon to search for books based on my content. So I use social media marketing for dummies. Understand? So one can use it to, and you can see your keyword. You can see from here. What's it called? You can see the data of number of people. But let me just go there. I just look for the one you feel that you can use. So I don't want to go there. You can see the data of how it's trending, the percentage of how it's trending, how number of people are clicking such number of keywords. You can see it on the tools. It's there, but that's by the way. I don't want to waste time on that. So just fill the keyword that you feel is okay for marketing. Just use it. So that one, social media marketing book. If I'm using it, so for your book, social media marketing book, copy and paste. Go back again to it. Social media marketing workbook. No, I feel let me use this one. Because it's kind of really explain my content. Keyword. Explain my content. So let me use that one. So let me go again. What's it called? Social media strategy second edition. No. Social media all in one. Social media marketing breaker. Social media marketing Solomon. Social media marketing for beginners 2021. Yes. So let me go. Paste it. So this information I'm sharing with you guys, you can't get it anywhere to this particular level on how this makes you an expert, you understand, in advertising your books. Let's see social media marketing for real estate agents now. See, so I can use this to search for my book. It's actually a good way, understand, it's actually a good way, good keyword, it's actually a good keyword. So now let's go again. Social media marketing guide 2021. So you can see this, you can see this, you can see this. So this particular keyword, you can still go back and edit it if you feel that it's out of trend and people are not using it again. Please, you can still go back and edit it even after you've published your book. You can still go back and edit this keyword. Amazon still give you the opportunity for you to edit it to add those keywords that you feel they are trending at that time. So you can see I'm using 2021 because we're in 2021. Let's say we leave 2021 to another year. I can just go and edit it and maybe use 2022 and all that to update it so that it can still trend. You can can still find my book. So that's just it. So let me go back and read my description again, because I feel that my description is not too okay. But let me just go back. Really, social media is no longer an optional marketing channel; it's a necessary one. But that doesn't mean results are given. When it comes to social media, you either have a lot of success interacting with blah 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 and all that and all that. So now blah blah blah, which European airports, evaluate your airports, result. So that's just it. So let's just move to the next one, which is set categories. Now we're going to set categories for our book, the category which our book fall under. So let's see. Just see this as your library where you want to put the category of your books. Just see, let's say educational reference. This is for educational reference. Education. Understand? You put education. This is for education. And all that. So you set this. So once you set this, so is it adult? Let's just say general. So once you set it as general, that's all. General. Educational policy. Reform elementary. Let's see. History, inclusive, leadership, special training and certification. Let me use it as training and certification and all that. So that is just by the way. Once I set this, I can just exit. I've set it. I've set the category. So that is it. So if I want to go back again and check if my category is properly set, you can see they are there. Education, general, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. So let's just go back. Let me continue. Continue. Go back and continue. So once you click on it, continue. Just put it. I didn't save it because it didn't load out all the information out. So let's just see what kind of educational material are you selling. So vocational, I click on vocational and general, just put general. So that's just it. So I go down, scroll down and I save it. So I save it. So just you put this should be in my library. This is my category. So it's not going to be on the Amazon website when you are selling. This is just a category of where your book fall under. Just sit like as your library, understand, of books you are publishing. So when you're searching for the number of a particular book, you know where it falls under. Your educational book, this particular book comes under. Let's say you're doing another kind of category of book, you find it easily. So that's just it. So now the ages I want to people to see my book from the ages of, let me put 18 plus. That is just 18 plus. It's better for me. I use 18 plus. So now the years grade range. So this is optional. You don't need it. So you don't need it. So you just need to move to the next phase. So I am ready to release my book now. Make my Kindle ebook available for pre-order. Now, for those of us that have a launching date, this is the option you use, and you put the dates you want to launch your book. So for sometimes it's advisable you click on release now and just let people know your book is on Amazon. Sometimes when you use this pre-order your launching date, Amazon might not release it for you at that particular date. So it's better for you to be earlier than to be late. Understand? So it's better for your book to be available than for it not to be available at all when it's part two, for people when you want people to actually know your book is on Amazon. So it's better you click on I am ready to release my book now. So click save and continue. So with save and continue, we move to the next stage of the particular training course. So now this is just part one of it. So I want to move to the next phase in terms of how to upload your content on the Amazon KDP website. Understand? To upload your ebook content on the Amazon KDP website.